Welcome to Rankology SEO, your go-to AI-powered SEO solution. To begin, the provided link will take you to the Shopify store where you can get the Rankology SEO app. Once installed, you will have access to AI-driven tools to optimize your store effortlessly. Now let's dive into the plans and see what Rankology has to offer. Three pricing plans are provided: free, basic, and premium, each designed to help you optimize your store with AI-driven SEO tools. Let's see what each plan includes. Starting with our free plan, perfect for beginners who want to test the power of Rankology. With this plan, you get 2 AI-generated blog posts, 2 AI-featured images, basic SEO AI content, dynamic SEO insights, internal link checker, and SEO scoring system. It's completely free, so why not give it a try? Next, we have the basic plan for just $3 per month. This plan is great for small business and growing websites. You will get 10 AI-generated blog posts, 50 AI-featured images, basic SEO AI content, dynamic SEO insights, internal link checker, and SEO scoring system. With more AI-generated content, your website SEO can improve effortlessly. Now we have premium plan. For those who want to take their SEO game to the next level, we offer the premium plan at just $5 per month. This plan includes 30 AI-generated blog posts, 150 AI-featured images, basic SEO AI content, dynamic SEO insights, internal link checker, and SEO scoring system. It's the best value for content creators and businesses looking for powerful AI-driven SEO tools. So whether you are just starting out or ready to scale your content strategy, Rankology has a plan for you. Choose the one that fits your needs. Sign up now and take your SEO to the next level with Rankology. Visit our website or the Shopify App Store to learn more.